Hi, this is Ken with Kens Jobs LLC. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Zmodo Greet 1.5. Zmodo has not paid me or donated the product in this video. I bought this myself to install because I have had great experiences with many other Zmodo products I've installed in the past. The average price for the Zmodo Greet 1.5 is between $99 and $150 depending on what retailer you buy it from. The Zmodo Greet 1.5 offers 720p recording at 25 frames per second, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, night vision, motion detection, 256-bit encryption, two-way audio, free mobile alerts, and an IP51 outdoor weather rating. It is also compatible with most mechanical chime doorbells that are between 10 to 36 VAC. The package I received in the mail included a box for the Zmodo Greet 1.5 and a box labeled Power Accessory. Inside the Power Accessory box, you will find the Power Accessory and instructions how to install it. Power Accessory and installation instructions. Inside the Zmodo Greet box, you will find the Zmodo Greet, with the installation mounting bracket already attached to the Greet. This is what gets mounted onto your wall. Under that, there's a box with your installation kit. Inside this box, you will find your mounting screws and anchors, tamper resistant screws to keep the camera from being unmounted from the mounting bracket, a level to make sure you mount the camera level, a masonry drill bit, and a screwdriver with both a Phillips head and a tamper resistant screw head. Also in the box comes with the installation instructions and how to use instructions. If you are planning on getting a Zmodo Greet, watch our video on how to install the Zmodo Greet. If in St. Louis, Missouri or surrounding areas, contact us at kensjobs.com for your security installation needs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more unboxing of security products, installation help, and reviews. To learn more about us, visit us at www.kensjobs.com. Thanks for watching.